Welcome to Minutes Mastery series by 3T. Today we shall see how trainers, teachers, managers use the Feynman technique to simplify complex ideas, so they are easy to understand by other learners and peers. Have you ever struggled to explain something clearly even when you thought you understood it really well? That's where the Feynman techniques comes in, a powerful learning and teaching tool developed by physicist Richard Feynman. Let me show you how I used it for conducting a training session on time management as an example. Step 1. Understand the concept. First, you need to thoroughly understand the topic. For instance, while preparing the session, I studied the techniques like the Eisenhower matrix and the Pomodoro technique to get a good grasp of the key principles like urgent, important, and time boxing. Step 2. Explain it in simple terms. Next, I explained it to the training participants in plain, simple, bilingual way as if I was teaching someone with no prior knowledge. For example, instead of saying prioritize tasks based on urgency and importance, I said, imagine you have a list of things to do and you focus on what really matters first, like putting out a fire before you water the plants. Step 3. Identify gaps in understanding. While explaining, I realized there were areas where I don't have complete understanding, like why the Pomodoro technique uses 25-minute work intervals. So I reviewed and found that the choice of 25 minutes is not arbitrary, but based on psychological principles and practical experimentation by its creator, Francesco Cirillo. 25 minutes chunking aids in optimal focus period and creates a sense of urgency to get the work completed efficiently. Step 4. Simplify. Finally, I revised the explanation to make it even clearer. I might say the Pomodoro techniques helps you focus by working in short bursts with breaks in between to avoid a burnout. Now the concept is easy to digest even for someone new to time management. Don't you agree? So by using the Feynman technique, I have broken down a complex topic into something anyone can understand. It's a simple but powerful way to teach and learn as well. Keep watching Minutes Mastery for such intriguing insights.